Welcome to Articulate Expressions, the video dedicated to helping you refine your verbal communication skills. I'm your talent crafting coach, and today, we're delving into the art of articulating your thoughts effectively. Stay tuned for 3 transformative secrets that will elevate the way you convey your ideas through speech. Let's jump right in. Articulate verbal communication is like a symphony of words, where each note carries meaning and purpose. It's the gateway to expressing complex ideas with precision and clarity. Now, let's unveil 3 secrets to mastering this crucial skill. The first secret is all about practicing mindful speech. Slow down, take deliberate pauses, and enunciate your words clearly. This not only aids comprehension but also lends an air of authority and thoughtfulness to your speech. Secret number 2 is often underestimated but incredibly powerful: expand your vocabulary. A rich and varied lexicon allows you to choose the perfect word for any situation, enhancing the accuracy and impact of your message. The third secret revolves around structuring your thoughts. Before you speak, organize your ideas coherently. Start with a clear introduction, followed by main points, and conclude with a memorable takeaway. This framework provides a roadmap for articulate expression. Now that we've revealed the secrets, let's explore some practical tips to further improve your verbal articulation. Tip 1. Record and review yourself. Recording your speech allows you to objectively evaluate your articulation, pacing, and clarity. It's a powerful tool for self-improvement. Tip 2. Engage in conversations and debates. Engaging in conversations and debates hones your ability to articulate ideas on the spot. It challenges you to think quickly and express yourself clearly. Tip 3. Seek feedback and learn from others. Actively seek feedback from trusted peers or mentors. They can provide valuable insights into areas of improvement and offer constructive suggestions. So, there you have it, our guide to mastering articulate verbal communication. Remember, every word you speak is an opportunity to convey your thoughts with precision and impact. Thank you for joining us on Articulate Expressions. I'm your talent crafting coach, and I hope you'll carry these insights with you as you embark on your journey of refining your verbal communication skills. Embark on a journey of self-improvement with our cutting-edge communication and interpersonal skill programs. Visit www.edamplify.com/membership and unlock the key to becoming a confident communicator. Until next time, let your words resonate with clarity and purpose. Take care.